Fusion Plus ceramic coating is specifically formulated for use on cars, trucks, and all road vehicles. It provides paint and paint protection film with unmatched gloss levels, durability, and chemical resistance. Offering superior protection from the elements, Fusion Plus improves surface clarity by repelling water, dirt, and road grime. It bonds at the molecular level to seal and protect surfaces from environmental contaminants, harmful UV rays, and insect acids. Providing hydrophobic properties, Fusion Plus decreases cleaning times to maintain a freshly washed appearance and factory finish. Fusion Plus is now available to protect even more surfaces with new formulations designed specifically for targeted vehicle areas. Glass offers a clear, protective coating on glass surfaces to provide enhanced visibility. Wheel and caliper bonds to wheels and brake components and helps protect from extreme and constant heat cycles from road friction and brake usage. Plastic and trim protects plastic and rubber trim components from staining and weathering caused by damaging UV rays. Upholstery offers superior protection for fabric seats, carpet, leather, and vinyl surfaces. Protect your investment. Fusion Plus, now available at a certified Xpel dealer.